Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, and today, we are diving into something that feels straight out of a billionaire's road trip fantasy, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Cadillac, the name that has defined American luxury for over a century, has rolled out a motorhome that promises to combine elegance, technology, and raw comfort in a way that could make even a luxury mansion jealous. If you've ever dreamed of taking the soul of a Cadillac Escalade and stretching it into a rolling palace, this is it, and we're about to find out if it lives up to the hype. From the very first glance, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome screams sophistication. The exterior is a masterpiece of sculpted panels, signature vertical LED lighting, and a grille that practically announces your arrival. Cadillac didn't just build a motorhome, they made a statement on wheels. It sits on a heavy-duty chassis, giving it a commanding presence on the highway while still carrying the sleek DNA that makes it instantly recognizable as a Cadillac. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The interior feels like a private jet that decided to go camping. Plush semi-aniline leather, natural wood veneers, and brushed aluminum trim cover every surface you can touch. Cadillac's designers clearly focused on creating a space that feels more like a luxury suite than a recreational vehicle. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, giving you a breathtaking view of the world outside as you glide down the road. Under the hood, Cadillac didn't hold back. The 2025 model is powered by a refined V8 engine with hybrid assist, delivering smooth, effortless power whether you're cruising the interstate or climbing a mountain pass. The motorhome rides on an adaptive air suspension that makes bumps disappear, so every mile feels like first class. And thanks to the latest driver assistance tech, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, maneuvering this luxury giant feels surprisingly stress-free. Technology lovers will be right at home here. A massive curved OLED display spans the dashboard, offering navigation, entertainment, and control over nearly every system in the vehicle. Rear passengers get their own screens, wireless charging pads are everywhere, and the onboard Wi-Fi system ensures you're always connected. There's even an AI-powered control assistant that lets you adjust climate, lighting, and entertainment with simple voice commands. But where this Cadillac motorhome really shines is in the living space. There's a full gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower, and a master suite with a king-size bed. The rear lounge converts into a theater room with a retractable 4K screen and surround sound, perfect for movie nights under the stars. Storage is smartly integrated, and every inch of space has been designed to be functional without compromising style. So, does the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome live up to its promise? Absolutely. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Cadillac has managed to bring luxury travel to a new level, making every road trip feel like a 5-star getaway. This is for the person who doesn't just want to go places, but wants to arrive in style, comfort, and prestige. If you love what you're seeing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Engine Explorer, and drop a comment telling me where you'd take this Cadillac motorhome first. Because with a rig like this, the open road just became the most luxurious place to be.